Hello everybody, this is Earl at Classic Car Creations, and today we're going to be following up on the progress on this 71 Plymouth. It's been some time since we showed Mike's car in the shop and all the updates. The reason for that is because when I have my helper come in, he doesn't like to be on the camera, so a lot of video footage was not taking of it. However, we do have a lot of picture archive of the car, and at this point I would like to show you what we did in the timeline with this car going onto the rotisserie, all the work being done underneath it, and the exterior of the car, the bodywork and the roof line. Enough wordiness, let's show you the timeline. Okay, so that's the 71 Roadrunner. We got on the rotisserie. Everything's good. We're cleaning all the welds up. We're going to be sanding everything down below here, epoxying everything. We're going to 2K everything, but before we're doing that, we're just finishing all the weld work up on this side. And then we're going to install torque boxes. We got them on the bench here. And then we'll get that taken care of as well. Make sure all this is good. And then we're going to fix the roof. The roof has got a headache in it. We got to do that. That's a nasty one. And the rest of it is just basically cut and dry. Fix all this, dolly hammer all this, just clean everything up. And whatever's gray right now is actually processed, so that's pretty good. Same thing with the quarters, partial parts of the roof, and all the body parts that bolt to it. He doesn't like the thunderstorms that happen this time of year in Florida. He's in here. He's good. Let's get some updates, guys. Let's see what's cooking. This is Niles' car, 1955 Chevy. So we got the fender wells on, body worked, done, painted. I'm starting to run the front wiring. Looking good. AC system, radiator is finally mounted in against the baffles. We got the blocks made. Everything's done. Niles does nice aluminum work for us. Great job. So we got the radiator mounted. And here's the cameo. Mr. Magnet. So anyway, yeah, that's what's going on with this car here. Looking really good. We're real close to firing up. Anyway, hood hinges are painted, done. We're just going to continue on wiring. Niles got a couple more things. He's got the pan down here that's got to get painted and installed by me. And then we'll install the condenser and the tranny cooler, and then we'll finish running the 6AN lines into the cooler, as well as finishing the 6 and the 10 to the condenser. All right, that is the updates on this car. All right, everybody. So those are the updates on Mike's 71 Plymouth. We will have more updates on that car later on. Right now, we're kind of idle with it. And again, we're going to be doing a bunch of other projects in the meantime. So everyone, thanks for checking in with us in this little tiny shop called Classic Car Creations. We will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for your time. Take care. That is Trigger. It's our neighbor's cat. And he shows up here for treats every day. Okay. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. Yep. Yep. Yep.